Hello, word enthusiasts. Welcome back to another episode of Hello Word, your daily dose of vocabulary enrichment. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is collaboration, a C1 level noun. Collaboration means working jointly with others, especially in an intellectual endeavor. It implies a shared effort, mutual understanding, and a combined contribution towards a common goal. In everyday language, you might hear it used to describe teamwork in a project or even a partnership between different companies. Let's dive deeper into what this means. Collaboration is all about synergy, bringing different skills and perspectives together to achieve something greater than any individual could accomplish alone. Think of a group of musicians working together to compose a symphony. That's collaboration in action. Or consider a team of scientists from different countries pooling their resources to find a cure for a disease. That's powerful collaboration. Now, let's explore some synonyms for collaboration that will help you express the same idea in different ways. A close synonym for collaboration is cooperation. For example, the project's success depended on the close cooperation between the departments. Another synonym is partnership. We could say, the two companies formed a partnership to develop new technologies. Teamwork is also a good synonym, especially in a work environment. Successful teamwork requires open communication and mutual respect. Another synonym is alliance. For example, the countries formed an alliance for mutual defense. Finally, we have synergy. We can say, the synergy between the marketing and sales teams resulted in increased revenue. Now, let's look at the flip side. What words have the opposite meaning to collaboration? The antonyms of collaboration highlight the absence of shared effort. One antonym is competition. For instance, there was fierce competition between the companies for market share. Another antonym is separation. We can say, the separation of the research teams hindered progress. Isolation is also an antonym. Her isolation from the rest of the team prevented her from contributing effectively. We also have rivalry. For example, the intense rivalry between the two teams affected the atmosphere negatively. And finally, discord. The constant discord within the committee made it impossible to reach a decision. So, how can you use collaboration in your everyday life? Well, consider these scenarios. If you're working on a group project at school, you can say, this project requires strong collaboration from all team members. Or, if you're discussing a problem with your family, you might say, let's find a solution through collaboration and compromise. Even in simple conversations, you can incorporate collaboration. For example, the design of the house was a collaboration between the architect and the homeowner. Or the project was a testament to the power of collaboration. Let's look at a few more sentence examples. Effective collaboration is essential for the success of any organization. The collaboration between artists resulted in a breathtaking mural. Our research is a collaboration between several universities. The company fosters a culture of collaboration and innovation. This initiative requires the collaboration of all stakeholders. Phrases: in collaboration with, as in collaboration with local businesses, we are organizing a charity event. Or promote collaboration, as in, the manager aims to promote collaboration within the team. To recap, collaboration means working jointly, and it's a vital skill in both professional and personal settings. We've explored its definition, synonyms like cooperation, partnership, teamwork, alliance, and synergy, and antonyms like competition, separation, isolation, rivalry, and discord. Remember that collaboration is about bringing people together to achieve shared goals. Thank you for joining me on this linguistic journey. I hope you found this episode of Hello Word insightful and helpful. Before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover Hello Word and expand their vocabulary too. Also, I'd love to see how you're using collaboration in your own life. Create your own sentence using the word collaboration and share it as a comment under this video. I look forward to reading them. Until next time, keep learning and keep collaborating.